Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can disable the CPU Core 0 and get a massive performance boost in any game. So Valorant, Skyrim, Call of Duty, any game, it does not matter. So the first thing that you have to do is let the game open. So I'm going to use Valorant as an example. So make sure that the game is open, and what you want to do is you want to open up the task manager. From the task manager, right click on Valorant or whatever game you're using. Go to details, and then from here go down, and whatever one is highlighted in blue, right click on it and hit set affinity. And what you want to do is you want to disable CPU 0, and basically once you do that you can go ahead and hit OK, and then you should be good to go. You can open up Valorant or whatever game you're on, and you'll notice the the instant FPS boost. Basically you don't want to have CPU 0 on because it does limit the maximum amount of FPS you can get. So once you disable it, you'll notice the instant FPS boost. So that is something to keep in mind. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.